Happy World Book Day! Here at the St. Bart's Trust, we love World Book Day. And that's because we get to celebrate all things reading and writing.
What?
Here are our top 10 favourite activities that can be done both at school with teachers and pupils or at home with the family.
Yes, good, on we go.
Time to get crafty. Take everyday objects and turn them into bookish works of art. Whether it's an empty toilet roll, a paper plate, or a wooden spoon, transform them into your favourite storybook characters. Ever wish you could shrink down and live inside your favourite book? Well, with our next activity, you can do just that. Grab a jam jar or a shoebox and create a scene from your favourite book. It's time to recreate those book covers. Pick up your pens, crayons and paintbrushes and create your favourite book cover. Got an old plain t-shirt? Well, now's the time to transform it into the coolest World Book Day tee in town. Or recreate a book cover at home using objects from around the house. Drama time! Channel your inner Dwayne Johnson or Jenna Ortega, grab some friends and act out your favourite chapter from a book. And if you wanted to take it a step further, why not film it too? Who's that behind the mask? Or should that be Buck? Get members of your class to take photos of themselves hiding behind a good book. Get all the photos together and hold a competition to see who can guess the most mystery readers correctly. Ever dreamed of chatting with your favourite author? Well, why not write them a letter? Share your thoughts on their work, ask them a burning question, or simply tell them how much their books mean to you. You never know, they could even write back.
Nice.
Become a YouTube presenter and create a video book review. Simply find a device with a camera and record yourself talking all about your favourite book and why it means so much to you. You could send these to the author too. Unleash your creativity and turn your doors and windows into masterpieces. Let's transform our ordinary doors or windows into extraordinary book covers. Okay, literacy lovers. Let's see if you are more Hermione Granger or Ron Weasley when it comes to bookish knowledge. Time to create a World Book Day quiz. This could be made online or simply on a piece of paper. Just fill it with lots of fantastic book-related questions that will really tickle the mind.
Wicked.
Who says books can't be delicious? You could try whipping up recipes inspired by our favourite storybook treats. Think a very hungry caterpillar cake, a bowl of the Three Bears porridge, or maybe even a chocolate cake from Matilda. You can do it, Bruce! Delicious! We hope you found those ideas useful. It's always fun to dress up as your favourite book character. And of course, you can always read a book by yourself, to a family member or to a friend. Remember, the key to a great World Book Day is to have lots of fun and celebrate the magic of reading.